Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Prayers as well as action. It is true that we should trust God in our lives and want that He helps us. However, we with prayers as an excuse, or the fact that God helps believers as an excuse, give up our efforts. Someone who gives up his efforts and takes no practical action and accepts that God will give him knowledge and wealth is an ignorant person. We should make efforts in our lives and must also pray to God that He helps us in all our efforts. We should study our lessons and surely pray to God that He blesses us with lots of knowledge. We must work and at the same time pray to God to receive His abundant blessings in our work and search for earnings. We must exercise and also pray to God that He keeps our body healthy, strong, and powerful. God too loves those human beings who work and make efforts. He doesn't like those who are lazy and never helps them. In the time of Prophet Muhammad, some of the Muslims gave up efforts to earn living and decided to isolate themselves in their homes to worship God. They said to themselves, "We, instead of work and earning to live, offer our ritual prayers and pray to God. God will bless us with sustenance, and because of our prayers to Him, will provide us with money that we need." Prophet Muhammad was very unhappy because of the decision of these people. Prophet Muhammad said to them, "Why have you given up your efforts into work?" They said, "The Quran says that God helps the pious and God-fearing human beings and provides them with their sustenance. After reading this, we only worship God. God will Himself give us our sustenance." Prophet Muhammad rebuked them and said, "If someone gives up efforts to work and earn living, his prayers will not be accepted by God. Go and work and make efforts for earning your living." The advice of Prophet Muhammad saved them from the mistake they were making, and they returned back to their work to earn living.